Okay, today is all about repair and reuse. Let's dive into the sewing kit. Yes, the slightly chaotic treasure chest. Needle, found it, thread, got it. We're in business. Oh, now look at this shirt. The rip is pretty bad. I mean, she's been through it. This is not going to be a neat job. Not going to be pretty, and definitely not ready for the runway anymore. But here's the thing. Clothing doesn't have to be perfect to still be useful. It just has to be loved enough to keep going and keep it out of landfill. So, we stitch, we darn, and we mend with care, and maybe a little bit of wild personality. Will I wear this out somewhere fancy? Absolutely not. Will I wear it to the beach, walking the dog, gardening, or just running around Byron, keeping my arms sun safe? Absolutely yes. Repair is gratitude in action. Reuse is style with conscience, and every stitch says, thank you, I'm not done with you yet. I love my planet, and I'm going to make this work. Yeah.